Data science, data science, data science. It's just everywhere. But why? ऐसा क्या है कि हर जगह सिर्फ data science और AI है? Well, it is for a reason, and let me tell you why. Data science is one of the most emerging fields right now. Learning data science can open up a world of diverse job opportunities for you. Data scientists can work in different sectors like finance, healthcare, technology, e-commerce, etc. So you'll have a lot of opportunities to choose from. Nowadays, as many decisions are based on data, the demand for data science professionals have been increasing. In this video, we'll explore some key roles and high-paying job opportunities after learning data science. Number 1. Data analyst. Data analysts focus on gathering and interpreting data to help organizations make informed decisions. Basically,
जब मैंने जोड़ा, घटाया, गुणाकार किया और उसके बाद जब भागाकार किया तब एक ही जवाब मिला.
Data analytics helps you to solve complex problems and helps you to identify opportunities for improvement of growth. It plays a very crucial role in understanding customer behavior and optimizing business processes. Number 2. Machine learning engineer. Machine learning engineers create algorithms that help systems learn and make predictions using the data. They focus on training models and implementing solutions that can automatically get better with time. Their work involves creating such systems that can learn from examples and data to make accurate predictions and decisions. Number 3. Business intelligence analyst. A business intelligence analyst helps to make an organization informed decisions for the company growth. They gather and analyze different data from sources like customer behavior, market trends, and competitor analysis. By examining this data they have collected from different sources, they try to identify the pattern, insights, and trends which gives valuable information for an organization to help make strategic business decisions. These analysts use different types of tools and techniques like statistical analysis, data mining, and visualization to extract meaningful data from large data sets. Number 4. Data engineer. Data engineers are responsible for creating and maintaining the necessary infrastructure for storing vast amount of data. They are responsible for the smooth and effective flow of data. Basically, a data engineer's job is to simplify the process of designing and constructing a data pipeline. Number 5. After learning data science, you can also become a data scientist. The role of a data scientist revolves around analyzing complex sets of data and extracting valuable insights. Their expertise in programming, mathematics, and statistics helps them to identify a data, make predictions, and also to provide data-driven solutions. So these were a few examples of the job opportunities you can get after you learn data science. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more such content and subscribe to Newton School for more such informational videos.